Right, back to serious stuff now. No more purposefully sliding the back around. Last chance. Don't think I've done enough today. So this is course 4, Woodcote 2. No stop on this one, and I think, apart from the very last bit, I think I should be in second gear. Well, there's a roundabout at the beginning, which is going to be first. I think I should be second gear right until the very last cone before the stop gate. It's going well though. It's difficult to really form an opinion on how good the car is because it's just me in isolation against some cones, comparing times with other people. The real test is going to be seeing how it feels on circuit when it's properly loaded up and you get to feel the car take a set, and how it responds to your changes in input and so on. That's going to be the real test, and I've got that 2 weeks tomorrow. Last course, run 1, dampers, sport, PSM. Let's get to second. Hello.
6102.
3, 2, 1,
6102, clean?
Alright.
Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Oh my word. No time to rest. This is ridiculous. Okay. Interesting. God, these come round quick.
I know.
That's when there's only 4 of us in the group, or it might be 5. So it's like you can barely get on the tail again. But at least it's all fresh in the mind.
Well, there is that.
Right, run 2. This is happening quickly. It's almost all over. Right. Oh,
Is that good? What have you been on before?
oh, I did a 62.
Oh,
59.78.
yeah,
Clean?
clean.
Oh, okay.
Lovely.
One more.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. I can't get over how quickly this is going. Madness. Right, this is my last run then. Run 3. What did I learn from that? I'm not sure first gear on that bit in the runoff area at Madrick, at Woodcote, is working for me, because it's holding me back, or I'm hitting the limiter. So I should stay in second for the entire thing once I come out of the roundabout, and then maybe drop back to first for the hairpin right at the end. Who knows? We'll see. And I know if I'm doing a 59, Pete's doing 55s or something anyway, so yeah. It's as good as I can do. Okay, here we go. Ooh, 600ths. And that was clean?
Yeah. Well done.
Thank
can
you
go round
very
and
much.
We'll be doing the prize giving after, okay?
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Yeah, fab.
Cheers. It's back to normal then. So, yeah, felt good. Felt good. That section then, all of it really. Second gear, just leaning on the car. You feel when it turns in, it does naturally edge into a bit of oversteer, but you can kind of balance it. It feels like it starts moving, but if when you do that, you get back on the power, it's going to shift the weight down on the back and bring it back in check. So I can't wait to try that at Bedford. I think it's going to be a good thing, a really good thing. I'm really looking forward to this. Oh yes. And there's my nemesis, Mr. Greaves, who's no doubt royally humped me. But I'm fine with that.
Come on then, big boy.
Okay, come on then, lad.
Hit me with it.
Let's see.
What's your two best?
What, and the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah, 59.78, 59.72.
Really?
Yeah.
Very good.
Well, what are you?
61 dead and a 59.8.